HCF and LCM of 180 and 420. Consider the numbers 180 and 420. 1. Write each number as a product of its prime factors. 2. Determine the HCF, highest common factor, of 180 and 420. 3. Determine the LCM, lowest common multiple, of 180 and 420. Section 1. Prime factorization of 180 and 420. First, we write each number as a product of its prime factors. Let's start with 180. 180 divided by 2 is equal to 90. 90 divided by 2 is equal to 45. 45 divided by 3 is equal to 15. 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1. So the prime factorization of 180 is 2 to the power of 2 times 3 to the power of 2 times 5. Now for 420. 420 divided by 2 is equal to 210. 210 divided by 2 is equal to 105. 105 divided by 3 is equal to 35. 35 divided by 5 is equal to 7. 7 divided by 7 is equal to 1. So the prime factorization of 420 is 2 to the power of 2 times 3 times 5 times 7. Section 2. Finding the HCF, highest common factor. To find the HCF, we take the lowest powers of the prime factors common to both numbers. Common primes 2, 3, 5. For 2, lowest power is 2 to the power of 2. For 3, lowest power is 3 to the power of 1. For 5, lowest power is 5 to the power of 1. So the HCF is 2 to the power of 2 times 3 times 5 is equal to 4 times 3 times 5 is equal to 60. Section 3. Finding the LCM, lowest common multiple. For the LCM, we take the highest powers of all primes that appear in either number. Primes involved 2, 3, 5, 7. For 2, highest power is 2 to the power of 2. For 3, highest power is 3 to the power of 2. For 5, highest power is 5 to the power of 1. For 7, highest power is 7 to the power of 1. So the LCM is 2 to the power of 2 times 3 to the power of 2 times 5 times 7 is equal to 4 times 9 times 5 times 7 is equal to 1260. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want more math videos, make sure to like and subscribe.